Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Enservco company and the trend. If you are checking out my previous video, I have made a previous video on this. I think when the stock was trading near in between 70 and 90 cents, and now with this sharp move in the current or in the last 2 or 3 trading sessions, more specifically, or overall in the last 2 weeks, is quite staggering. And the stock at least made itself very clear that right now, at least within the trend, it is ready to move higher with this very sharp move with momentum. So let us discuss about the trend of Enservco. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here? Now if you can, please go and check out my previous video. You can see what I have said and what is happening right now. So what do we have here? 0.61 and 0.54. So these are the two important levels that we are going to look at on the downside. So please do not go below these two levels. These are your stop losses. But the way stock has moved, the overall trend has shifted, because right now we cannot wait for the stock. In case of any uncertainty, we cannot wait for the stock to retest 50 or 60 cents. Otherwise, it's going to be a huge loss. Moreover, the stock is trading above 3.97, more specifically above 3.16 and 3.97. Now, 3.97 is going to be your immediate support, whereas 3.16 is going to be a stop loss, right? So you need not to focus on the lower end of the range, which is this section. The range or the important zone we have here is, so this is the lower end of the range right now, because the stock has already crossed 3.97. So right now what you can do here is, please do not go below these two levels, 3.97 and 3.16. If the stock continues to sustain above these two levels, we have a couple of things to look at, a couple of levels to look at, because right now it is just moving back and retesting the previous highs, because the stock has been trading above 3.97 from 1997 till 2019. Then we have seen a big crash. So because after 2.5 years, when the stock is moving back and sustaining above 3.97, you have all the upper end of the range which is there for you. So the next two target we have here, if the stock continues to sustain above 3.97, will be 17.9 and $22. And then we have two more to look at, 40 and 62, and the biggest one will be 157. So I'm not saying look at 157, I'm just saying about the trend, because the active trend we have here right now is this section, this highlighted section, and we have only two targets to look at for the time being, which is 18 and $22. Only if the stock moves beyond $22, we will talk about 40 and 62. And when we see that the stock is even moving higher, so we have $150 in the long term. But I'm saying this thing again and again, this is, I don't know, this is just a momentum thing that is happening over here. If the price moved very sharply in the short term, what you need to do, you need to take your profit back. You need not to sit, because we have seen this thing happen one year back, when the stock started falling from the highs of January or February 2021 to the lows of January and February 2022. So please do not repeat the same mistake again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for